All right. Sorry about that, guys. Just a little bit of audio issues there. Um, but welcome. We're starting our new unit, muscular system. As far as muscular system is concerned, it's very similar to skeletal system. So a lot of it will be similar, although there's definitely some unique traits about muscles that need to be talked about and discussed. So we'll get into that as well. Let me go ahead and get this going here. There we go. All right, so what are the goals of the unit? And this is going to be a short video. It's kind of just an introductory video more than anything else. Understand the role of the muscular system, differentiate the anatomy and physiology of muscles, learn the sliding filament theory, and name the numerous muscles of the body. Okay, the muscular system. Muscles are responsible for all types of body movement. They contract or shorten and are the machine of the body. Three basic muscle types are found in the body. So we have three basic muscles that we need to learn, or muscle groups. Skeletal muscle is the one we're going to spend a lot of time with. Cardiac muscle we'll spend a little bit of time with, but we've actually talked about this previously when we learned cardiovascular system. And then smooth muscle, which smooth muscle is its own category of muscle. We find smooth muscle primarily with the digestive organs. So we'll get to that when we get there. Characteristics of muscles. This is just some general vocabulary. Muscle cells are elongated. Muscle cells is the same thing as a muscle fiber. Contraction of muscles is due to the movement of microfilaments. All muscles share some terminology. So we've seen myo before. Myo means muscle. We've seen that in reference to myocardium. MIS, MYS, refers to muscle as well. And sarco also is a generic term, but it can mean flesh or tissue. And finally, like I said, short video today, skeletal muscle characteristics. Most are attached by tendons to bones. So remember, tendons connect muscle to bones. Not a bad idea to know this. Ligaments connect bone to bone. Cells are multinucleated. So skeletal muscle cells have multiple nuclei. That's important to how they function. They're striated. Their striations means that they have visible banding. So I can actually show you with this guy here. Obviously, this is a plushie. It has like little cute eyes and everything. But in reality, this is actually pretty accurate to what a muscle tissue looks like, or a sarcomere, as we call it. We're going to learn more about this structure as we progress in this unit. But the lines that you see, those are all striations or visible bands. You can also imagine it pretty well when thinking of like steak. If you eat steak and you eat meat, the lines that you see on the steak, that's the muscle striations, specifically skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is also voluntary, so you have conscious control of this, so you can consciously choose to activate these muscles. And lastly, cells are surrounded and bundled by connective tissue. That means that they generate great force but tire quickly. That is very important to the structure of these muscles. They can generate a lot of force when needed, but they do tire relatively quickly as well, so we do have to keep that in mind. All right. So like I said, this is a really quick, short video, just kind of getting us started. But the next one will be a little bit more normal length as we'll progress forward. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on the next one.